Cryptocurrencies are designed to be transparent, secure, and decentralized, offering a new way to exchange value and conduct financial transactions. Cryptocurrencies are typically used for online transactions, investments, and as a store of value. They are also used for remittances, micropayments, and as a hedge against inflation. They are stored in digital wallets, which can be software-based or hardware-based, and can be accessed via various devices, such as computers, smartphones, or specialized hardware devices. One of the key features of cryptocurrencies is their decentralized nature, which means that they are not controlled by any central authority, such as a government or a financial institution. Transactions on the blockchain are verified and recorded through a process called mining, which involves solving complex mathematical problems. This makes cryptocurrencies highly secure and resistant to fraud and censorship. However, cryptocurrencies also pose unique challenges, such as regulatory issues, volatility in prices, and potential for illicit activities, including money laundering and scams. Therefore, it's important to understand the risks and benefits associated with cryptocurrencies and exercise caution when investing or transacting with them. In summary, cryptocurrency is a digital form of currency that uses cryptography and blockchain technology to facilitate secure, transparent, and decentralized financial transactions. It has gained widespread attention as a potential disruptive force in the traditional financial system, and its adoption continues to grow across various industries and sectors.